What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request from Manuel Doc, or the Ripper Doc, from Cyberpunk Edgerunners. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Mask on this dude. So, center point of my page about there. We'll start with the mask around this area, right in the middle, right? So it kind of curves across his nose. So we'll just go, yeah, relatively, so we'll go like this way. Right? Just a line across like that. And then we go diagonal down. And then diagonal down that side. And they're kind of not the same either side, right? See the way that one's kind of a little bit longer. It's because you got like a big eye this side and 4 small ones on this side, so the mask is kind of different both sides. So say on the left here, we step in and down once like that. And this one's different, right? It goes diagonal that way. And then it goes up towards his ear. Okay. This side goes up towards the ear then from this point. Like so. And then they start to get more even then as we go from here. So it goes up the side of his head. And then both sides kind of curve in across here. And then they step up, across, and then we go down to the corner. So all these lenses and stuff, right? So circles, 4 of them here. And they're just like these glowing blue lights, kind of. Probably makes the old surgery a bit easier. I wonder how far off this kind of stuff we actually are, technology-wise. And then another couple of circles inside. And you got the big one over here. So again, like I always say this, but if you have a stencil or like a round thing, if you're looking for like a perfect circle, feel free to use it for stuff like this. There's like other circles inside that circle. Let's see, I'll go around again this way. Just trying to line things up a bit. Yeah, I went off a bit on that one. Circles are difficult. I keep saying I gotta get a stencil set, but luckily enough I can, no, I gotta erase that. Sorry. I thought I could use it. So there's another circle, another blue circle inside, right? And it's not kind of, he doesn't have it like bang in the middle. It's like slightly over to the right hand side. Right? And there's another line that like scoops, like comes out from this one, right? And goes around the bottom like that. And seems to just be like the interior or something, or like an edge line. My white stuff is still wet over there. Okay. Right. And he seems to have a little edge line on this over his nose. And then there is like a yellow bandage coming over the nose here, right? so. And then a nose line coming down from there. And then his nose real pointy, right? So we got the nostrils on the side here. And then it comes down to that pointy tip of his nose. There. Got a big smile and a big chin. So like a real cartoony style drawn mouth. Comes right up under his nose. Look like that, real big, like smirk. Right, these little cheek lines just here. And then he's a big chin, right? So he's a big Joker style face. If you've ever drawn the Joker. He's got a bit of a beard here, and they just do it like a cartoon sort of crown. 3 spikes. And then real angled sort of jaw sticking out either side. And it just comes up underneath the mask then. He's got cheekbones drawn in as well. His ear. If you can hear thumping in the background, it's my door. It's like really windy here. My door rattles. Sorry. I'll try and edit it out. But it could be super annoying. Just adding ear lines there. So, long blonde hair coming out from behind his neck, right? And then up around his head, he's got like a lone spike up the top there. Kind of looks like Doc from, it's like Marty, you know, from Back to the Future. It's kind of like him if he was cyberpunk. I wonder if that's the design. What it's supposed to be. Oh my god. Okay, neck muscle there. We'll do the neck first just because the hair sort of grows in behind it. Wide neck. Trapezius. Going that way. And then hair coming out from behind, right? So all these sort of spikes. I think this one goes the whole way up, but we'll just do this side first. And these go up and around the top, sort of like that. And then he's got these 2 little spikes that stick up here. And then join back down to there. And that's his hair. It's just blonde and kind of darker shadows and stuff. So, shoulder. So he's got muscular enough shoulders that kind of bump out around this way. Right? And then a bit of like anatomy and cyberpunk stuff in here. So we got like neck muscles. Like that. This one comes a bit longer there. This one as well, that way. And he's got these black cyberpunk like things on his collarbones here. Another one. Down that way, and then there's more lines here. All these cyberpunky lines. And yeah, I think that's it really. Doc. Circle was the only dodgy part really. or the hardest part. Hope it's helpful. Oh, wait. Hope it's helpful, Emmanuel. Thank you for the support on Patreon. See you next one. Bye.